Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing TV Woman from Skibidi Toilet, so let's get started. Okay, first we're going to draw a square for her head. And it doesn't have to be a perfect square. In fact, it probably will look better if it's not a perfect square, since it's kind of an old TV look. Just like that. And then inside of that, draw a W, and then sideways V's, or greater than, less than signs for the eyes. All right, now we're gonna do a rectangle that's on the outside of the square, and it's gonna go farther to the right than on the left. That's gonna be the side where the controls are. All right, now over on the right, we're gonna do two circles. And inside those circles, we'll do two small rectangles, which are going to be the knobs. And then go ahead and draw a rectangle that is going to be having the circles inside of it. And then right below it, we'll do a square. And in that square, I'm going to just do some kind of sideways lines for the speaker. All right, let's add a little bit of dimension. So on that square, I'm gonna do some lines off of the corners, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect the two on the right-hand side. Just like that. All right, on the top of the box, it's not a square, but it's gonna be just that shape for the top, and then a couple of lines that come out for the antenna. All right, last on the left-hand side, let's draw a curved line from the top and one from the bottom that go towards each other. Connect them with a straight line, and then draw a similar shape as to the top that comes out the side. All right, now we've got our head done. Let's do the body. So 2 lines for the neck, and do a couple little lines next to those. Some curved lines for her collarbone, and then a V shape that's going to be for her jacket. Just like that. All right, and then right by that V, we're going to create these little fin shapes, and they're going to be for the other part of her jacket. All right, let's do her shoulders. So we'll just go straight out and then curve down, and do that on both sides. Curve out and down. And then for the inside of her arms, we'll curve in like that. And now she's facing this way, so we'll draw for her chest a curve like that, and then bring it straight down and over. Do the same thing from the center down to there. And then let's just do a curved square. This is going to be for her belt buckle. And then bring that down. All right, let's finish off her right arm. Bring that in. And then her belt. And I'm going to have her belt stop right there. And then we'll bring her left side and then curve it out and down. And bring her arm down like that. Okay, we've got her done. I'm gonna add in a few more detailed lines. Thanks again for watching, guys. I hope we see you in the next video. And until then, take care.